colour combinations play a huge role in how your designs look and feel. Now, with the right colour combination, your designs can have a major improvement. Now, with that being said, did you know that Canva has its own colour palette generator just here with lots of different colour combinations that you can use in your designs, which makes everything so much easier when actually designing. Now, if you want to check out this Canva resource, then I will link this down in the description. Now, what you can actually do, if you have a photo, an image where you really like the colours, you can come over to here, upload your image, like so. Then what it's going to do is go into that photo, find all the major colours, and give you the hex code for those colours as well. Then all you have to do is copy that hex code, which is this just here, and then you can use it in your designs. Now, they also, if we scroll down to here, have endless colour palette ideas that you can also use in your designs. If we come down to here to explore colour combinations, you can then type in a colour, a theme, or a keyword just here. So for this example, we could put Christmas, and then we're going to get lots of different ideas. If we click on one of these, we can then see what that looks like. If we like these colours, we can copy the hex code and go and use them in our designs. Now, if we scroll down, we're also going to get related combinations as well. Now, if we come back to here, we can take a look at all of these different colour combinations, and there's over 99 pages. So you can browse through these, finding the colour combinations that you like, clicking on the ones that you like, and then again using these hex codes, colour hex codes, in our designs. So that's Canva's colour palette generator, which I wanted to share with you. Now, if you want to watch more of my bite-sized Canva tutorials, then click right here and watch this playlist.